A wide, lone shaft of sunshine breaking through a densely clouded sky. The shimmering brilliance of autumn leaves waving in the breeze. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, inviting you to drink in every breathtaking detail. Once you study the details of American beauty, you will be able to envision the perfect setting for your next Smoky Mountain vacation. Bring your large family get-together all under one roof and enjoy each other here. This 5-bedroom, 5-bath lodge has many features that begin and end with its lovely views. The home is well oriented at the pinnacle of Wilderness Mountain in the Wonderland Ridge community. This choice location offers superior views overlooking Wares Valley above the treetops to the mountain range beyond. Live large outside on 2 spacious levels of wraparound decks. Both have plentiful seating with rocking chairs and picnic dining tables. Catch up on the details of good conversation or laugh over an alfresco lunch together. Revel in serenity and just rock a while, or find the bench and swing lazy as long as you like. When was the last time you leaned back to enjoy the warm, restorative waters of a hot tub? This corner location allows unobstructed daytime views of the mountainside and valley floor, and plenty of open sky for evening stargazing. Is that wonderful barbecue aroma your family's chef creating another feast on the gas grill? And that's just the outdoors. Walk inside with me. The living area features a multi-story cathedral ceiling and full-height window wall to the nature outside. The home has hunting and fishing lodge decor comfortably inviting you to relax. Just gaze into the flickering flames of the corner mountainstone gas fireplace. Grab a pillow and sink into a Netflix movie on the large screen high-definition television. There are 6 total TVs throughout the home, most are large screen, and 2 DVD, Blu-ray, VCR combinations. Or find your entertainment online with free high-speed internet access and whole-house wireless connectivity. You can even call and chat with that favorite relative that couldn't make the trip, since there is unlimited U.S. long distance available here. How about the whole tribe enjoying brunch together? The oversized Galley-style kitchen is fully equipped and open to the living area, with large island bar seating for 6. Adjacent is a breakfast table nook to accommodate another 4 people, and there's additional seating for 8 at the dining table. Savor a large meal together, an ongoing jigsaw puzzle, or just coffee in the paper. There's room for all. The home's lower level features a kids' playground for all ages. The game room hosts a pool table, full-size air hockey table, and a multi-game arcade machine with 60 classic game choices. Let Dad prove his Pac-Man mastery, or see whose amphibian first meets an untimely death with a round of Frogger. No quarters needed. Make it a movie party sleepover for the children in the TV viewing area, with futon and twin bunk beds for added novelty. Also adjacent are 2-bedroom suites, one with 2 queen beds and the other a king bedroom. The bedrooms throughout the home have ample room to rest, and 2 have tiled jacuzzi tubs in their adjoining baths. Aspen log beds feature cooling gel memory foam mattresses and pillows, with a cozy variety of woodland-themed quilted bedding. Overlooking the living area below, the upstairs loft bedroom allows you to wake to the expansive mountain views captured through the 2-story window wall. What a way to rise and shine. Spacious skies and waves of mountain majesty rolling out before you. Once you see all American beauty has to offer, you'll agree with many others that this ridgetop home must be your mountain vacation destination. Don't hesitate to reserve your family's recess with volunteer cabin rentals now.